Switzerland. On the way to Milan, pero mag-stop over kami. Ano, hindi live yung mga ano kanina, yung Alps, Swiss Alps. Oh, a tunnel again. Kanina yung tunnel, mga 10 minutes. There it is. Ay, bakit may air pressure sa tenga ko? Puro Christmas tree. Ang kapuso ko. Wow, yung snow. Tabi-tabi lang namin. Saan yung bababa natin? Meron na. Possibly na.
Okay. 那我们到达这个服务区啊，那你们直走进去这个建筑里面的时候呢，转左然后呢会看到有一个洗手间的标志，下楼梯到负1然后呢上洗手间的费用是1欧或者是1贵然后呢我们停留到9点50分9点50分。Okay, so we will be arriving at this stop. Actually, when you get off at the back, there's a very beautiful mountain. Okay, I think you can see it.
Ayun, talaga miss no. Dito na tayo bababa.
Because there are many coaches.
Yes, sirree.
When you walk into the building, turn to the left, and then you go all the way straight down. -1 level. There's the restaurant located. -1.
Oh, -1. Damn it. Hindi ko pa naman sinuot yung trench coat ko kasi it's weighing me down. Ang bigat-bigat.
Sometimes broken, sometimes not broken, I don't know.
Tapos 2 layers lang ako and then this fleece jacket ng Uniqlo.
These are snow.
I'm screwed. Ayan, may snow. Oh, yes! Sorry! Pero hindi ngayon. It's not falling. Right now, nandyan na. Oo. Ay, nako. Hindi raindrops keep falling on my head.
You walk in, and maybe later when you come back, I have a little bit surprise for you.
What? A surprise? Ibig sabihin ng po.
Participate in the surprise.
Okay.
9:50 9:50 分